Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. So I actually just got the Beauty Bakerie, the correct box. I do already have a video about this on my channel. I did reach out to customer service. They did get back to me super quickly and let me know that it was an error and said we could keep the 3 lip whips and sent me the correct box right away. It was probably the best customer service I've ever received. She was super sweet and super kind, and they shipped this out rushed and fast for me. So it is here today. I have not looked inside, but I'm very excited to see what is inside. Again, this was $50 that I paid for the box with free shipping. You're said to have over $100 value and 6 full-size items. Okay, so this is a little different. It comes in this cute little makeup bag. Everything is inside here. I wonder if the bag is actually considered one of the 6. But it says, "I'm not a baker." Makeup bag. That is so cute. I just cake a lot. I'm not a baker, I just cake a lot. That's super cute. I love that. I love this bag too. This is cute and it's big. Okay, so here's the inside containment of the makeup pouch. Let's see if I can get it out in one pull. Oh, there you go. Empty. It's cute and pink inside, and it's got a gold zipper. This is packaged well. Okay, so I'm counting the things in front of me. I'll show you them in just one second, but this will be included as one of the 6. So I wonder how much this retails for, because I don't think this is on their website. Let me check, and then we'll get into the other 5 items. Okay, so I just quickly pulled up my tablet, and I looked on their website. I don't see the makeup bag on there, so this would be probably considered an exclusive item to these mystery boxes, which is really cool, but it makes it really hard to get the actual pricing calculation of the total ROI or value of the bag. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out, this is the Beauty Bakerie Better Not Bitter Flour Setting Powder. And the net weight is 14 grams or 0.5 ounces. And I got oats, which is translucent, which is really, really cool. I think that's really good that they sent out translucents, so they didn't have to worry about different skin tones purchasing the box and getting those correct. So I think it's really a good idea that they sent out translucent. I've actually seen people like Tati talk about this and a few other beauty influencers, and they really did like this. Here's what it looks like. This is so pretty, and I cannot wait to use it. I really like the flower bag that it came in. I think that's really cool and a really nifty idea. Okay, so based off of their website, all their setting powder is coming back for $24. So I'm going to go ahead and add $24 to our calculator. Alright, so the next thing that we have is another lip whip. And this is in the shade Cherry Flambe. Okay, so these do retail for $20 a piece. Ooh, this is a very striking red. I really like it. It's what I like to refer to as kind of like an orange red. If you're not familiar with reds, and I am because I love it, it's my favorite color. But anyways, there's an orange red and there's a blue red. There's a bunch of different ones. There's also mauve ones, but this is an orange red, which is very brightening and also makes your smile a lot bigger too, and your lips look more fuller, which is really cool. I really like this. They don't have a smell to them. I know I smelled them in the other video. Again, this one doesn't have a smell to it. It is different packaging than the first ones that I did get. But I really like this shade, and I cannot wait to try it out. The ones that I did get, I have tried out in a wear test. They last for very long. They don't tend to crease up or cake up on your lips, which is really nice. So you don't get that weird lip where you have a bunch of lipstick down here and nothing in the center. That's where you drink and talk and things like that. So it tends to wear off a lot quicker. I call them butthole lips, so you don't actually get butthole lips from these, which is really nice. They are a little pesturious to get off. Hey, you can either have ones that stick on for a very long time or ones that don't stick on for a very long time. I prefer the ones that last longer. Okay, so these do retail for $20, so I'm going to add that to our setting powder for $24. So we are at $44 with the 2 items. So the next item that we got is a lip gloss, and this is in shade Jelly Nana. And it's kind of got like a very nude type of gloss to it. It is very pretty. It doesn't have a scent to it. These actually retail for $18 versus $20 for the lip whip. So I'm gonna add that to the total that we have for the setting powder, the lip whip, and the gloss. $18. We are at $62 with those 3 products. We do have 2 more to go. Okay, so the next item that we have is the Sugar Lip Scrub, and this is in peppermint. It does give you 3 steps of how to use it. If you apply a small significant amount to your lips, apply a little pressure, it removes the lip whip and any lipstick, and then it also gets rid of dead skin. You can also put on some before bed. It'll help hydrate your lips while you sleep. But this is in shade Peppermint. I wonder if it smells like peppermint. I wonder if it tastes like peppermint. These do retail for $12. Here's what the containment looks like outside of the box. Ooh, she definitely does smell like peppermint. Oh, it's not like gritty. It's very soft, like a Carmex. Yum. That tastes very pepperminty. This is really cool. I really like this one. It does retail for $12. It does smell and taste like peppermint too, which is a really nice plus. It did retail for $12. So 62 plus 12, we are at $74 already. Alright, so our 6th item that we got is the biggest item and the one that I saved for last. And she is adorable. It is the Beauty Bakerie Breakfast in Bed. Everything is brand new. Here's what it looks like. Alright, so it reads, I've got my days where I like to just be simple, be comfy, glam. I'm sure anyone can agree. Join me for breakfast in bed with these super pigmented shades. They only enhance your natural beauty. Yeah, I can call them comfort glam, shall we? So here's what the eyeshadow palette looks like up close. You do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shades in there. You have a Yawning, Fresh French Doors, Fresh Face, Cuddle Cakes, Lazy Babe, Messy Hair, Boo and View, Forehead Cues, and Pajamas. I think these are super cute and super adorable. I wonder how they swatch. Let's get a matte too. Okay, so they do have a lot of promise. So I just took a look at their website. The Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette does retail for $38. We have $112 overall value, so it's way more than was estimated at. And we actually didn't get a price for the makeup bag, which was our 6th item. So that was not included in our total. So this is an exclusive and probably a free item. But if you take away the $50, you did walk away with a total ROI of $62. I'm really excited that they included a lot from their line. We got an eyeshadow palette. I have never used this company before, so I wanted to really try a lot of things, and I think this really showcased them. And I had really good customer service experience from them. I like to talk about the whole thing because even if the products are great and the customer service sucks, you're not going to buy it. So anyways, their company as general was really, really nice. I enjoyed working with them and talking with them. They were super friendly and super kind. I do really like all the items that we got. I don't think there's an item in here that I dislike. Oh, that's cute. On the flower, I didn't even look at it. It has nutrition facts right here on the side, if you can see that. And it says 100% gluten-free. Lightweight, mattifying, flashback, nah. Mattifying, yes, and lightweight, yes. I love that. That's really cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed doing these types of mystery boxes. This is really a really good one. I'm really happy with this. I'm usually pretty impressed with like Jeffree Star mystery bags, but this one, for their first one, even though they had that mess up, their customer service and their fix to it was just super quick, and I'm really impressed by that. So I really enjoyed this, and I will definitely continue to purchase things from them. Like they have these really cute brushes that I want to try. They have like kitchen utensils that are attached to the end of it. Anyways, I want to try them. I'll probably buy them, and if they have another mystery bag, I will definitely purchase for them. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, stay beautiful, stay sexy.